I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the original Super Mario Bros. On your PC. Playing classic games on a computer is a fantastic way to revisit gaming history. We will cover the essential steps, from choosing the right software to setting up your controls. Get ready to experience the iconic platforming adventure with Mario and Luigi, right from your desktop, just as you remember it from decades past. Choosing the right emulator is your first key step. Several excellent options exist, such as FSU, Nestopia, and Messen, all offering great compatibility. These programs essentially mimic the original console's hardware, allowing your computer to run the game files. Look for one with user-friendly interfaces and features like save states, which let you pause and resume your game anytime, enhancing your experience. Next, you will need the game file, known as a ROM. It is important to legally obtain these from your own physical game cartridges. Once you have your ROM and emulator, download and extract the emulator files to a dedicated folder. Then, open the emulator, load your Super Mario Bros. ROM, and configure your preferred controls, whether it is a keyboard or a connected gamepad, for seamless play. To truly enhance your gameplay, dive into the emulator's advanced features. Utilize save states to conquer challenging levels without losing progress, and try fast forward for less exciting parts. Connecting a USB gamepad can significantly improve the authentic feel, making jumps and power-ups more intuitive. Experiment with video and audio settings to achieve the best visual and sound quality, ensuring a perfect nostalgic journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.